Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn one photo into a 9 grid photo with different hairstyles using Pixverse. You can create this trendy hairstyle grid in just a few steps and it works on both web and mobile app. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Pixverse. You can access it through the website or simply use the Pixverse app on your phone like this. And once it's open, just log in using your Google account and don't worry about the payment or credits because Pixverse will give you free daily credits every day, so you can try this effect without paying anything. And then next, after logging in, just tap on the template menu, this one, just go to template, and then next just search or scroll down until you find the template or the effect that called my 9 hairstyles. My 9 hair identities like this. Just tap on it and then next just use template. This template is designed to transform one photo into a 9 photo grid. It's with different hairstyles. Next, just choose the photo that you want to use. For the best result, just use a clear portrait photo and with good lighting and your face facing forward like this. And then when you're done uploading the photo, just simply tap on create and then go back and then go to mine and wait for the process. And okay, like this, you now have a 9 grid photo showing a different hairstyle variation of yourself like this. I think the result is so cool. And then next you can just save it the results to your device by tap on download or just share it directly to your social media. It's super easy, right? And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.